There are 5 things that the city has that you are not going to find anywhere else in Somalia. When I first came here, I was not sure what to meet with, what's going to happen. But as soon as I get here, I was welcomed with open hand and I felt connected with very much everybody. I really love the people here. They're very friendly. I do enjoy being here. My name is Saad Abdali. I left Somalia in 1991. I have been in overseas since then, and the reason that I came here is to be able to get to know the land, get to know the people, and the resources that are available in our land. There are 5 things that the city has that you are not going to find anywhere else in Somalia. Number 1, it has a beautiful, very tall mountains. The ocean is right there. A good farming, a lot of farming trees are out there. A pure water that are very sweet to drink. And we also have frankincense that are very common and are very much all over the mountains. I'd like to encourage everyone, especially the Somalis that are in overseas right now, to be able to at least come back and visit this land and get to see what's out there.